how to crop videos on Picsart. Hello and welcome to 1-2 Step. I'm up with another quick and easy tutorial video on how you can crop your videos on Picsart. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and at the search bar type picsart.com to enter the official website of Picsart. Make sure you have logged into your account. On this interface, you will see a search icon just ahead of your profile picture. Click on that search icon at the top right and you will reach to this page where at the top you will see various editing and designing tools. Hover your cursor to that editing tools section next to create and below you will see various editing tools. From here under video editor sector choose crop video. Select it and you will reach to this page. Here click on that crop video option at the left bottom and you are ready to enter the editing space now. At the left side you will find various video templates that you can use from. Scroll down and find the one that interests you. You can also use this search bar to search the video that you want. Once you find the video you are looking for, go ahead and tap on it to bring it to your canvas. Once the video is displayed on the canvas, at the top you will see some editing tools. Here click on that crop option. Click on the video and then you can crop the area you want. Once you have selected the part of the video, click on that other part and then it will get removed. Now you can resize it as per your liking. And then you have successfully cropped video on Picsart. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications on more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.